Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing. Can you see what with us? Yes, that is cow. Cow gives us milk. And can you tell me where do you find that cow? And what sound that cow produce? What sound? Yes, moo. And where do you find it out? Yes, on farms. On farms we will found these animals, that is cow. Now cow gives us milk, and from that milk we can make different products like paneer, cheese, curd and ice cream also. So now this cow wants to go home to take some rest. Now slowly the cow is moving and going back. Okay, so let's go. Now children, we'll take another farm animal, find, and we will find it out that where you find it out. Stop. So children, as you all can see, we were doing about different farm animals. Just now we have seen cow and horse, which is one of our farm animals. Now what are farm animals? Domestic, sometimes we will call farm animals as domestic animals also. So what is domestic animal or what is farm animal? First we will find it out what is domestic animal. Domestic animal, it is very important to know about domestic animals. Now domestic animals are those animals which can live with us at our home. For example, you can find it out cow, buffalo and sheep, goat, yak and different animals which were living with the other or which were living with us at our home. Sometimes they are called farm animals because they need grass to graze. For grazing they need grass, and for grazing they need grass. And where they will get grass? Green grass they will get it on farm easily, where they can move, they can roam around, they can live in a healthy environment. That's why these animals are called farm animals. So sometimes these are called domestic animals also because we are getting lot of things like from cow we are getting milk, and from that milk we are making lot of products. So many products also we were making it. So what I was explaining that sometimes domestic animals are also called farm animals. And today, as you have seen just now, we are going to study about different domestic animals or different farm animals. What we are getting from these farm animals, that also we will see. And related to these farm animals, we are going to do a crossword also. So I hope children you all are going to like today's session, that what we are going to do today's class. So children, we will talk about different farm animals that like cow. So first of all we will talk about cow, that the sound which they produce. Sound also we have done, different sounds of different animals we have done. Fine. And so what is the sound of cow? We'll start with the sound of cow. What is the sound of cow? Moo. Yes. If you have seen the advertisement of Amul milk, and in that also the one cow is there in that advertisement, and that cow is doing moo. So what is the sound of cow? Sound of cow is moo. So let's study about different farm animals and what they were giving us like cow. So milk we are getting from cow and buffalo. If I take that from where we are going to get milk, not only cow and buffalo, we were using milk of goat also. Often you have heard about that in few of the diseases, the milk of goat is very beneficial. And in fact of this goat also we were using the milk of camel also. Camel again is our farm animal because they are living with us as a domestic animals, and these domestic animals are sometimes called farm animals. Now children, what is the difference between pet animal? Pet animal means the animals which are not giving something to us, but they are living with us just like our friend. Fine? Like dog, cat, they were not giving us anything, but dog is quite friendly to the human, cat is quite friendly to the human being, and they can live with us. Fine, these are called pet animals, but today we are going to talk about farm animals. So we have done about cow, buffalo. So we were talking about from all these animals we were getting milk. We were getting milk, and from that milk only we are making different milk product. Now what are different milk product? Different milk product are like ice cream, and then curd, and then what? Then paneer, then yes, what else? Cheese. Yes, cheese which you are eating in burger, pizza, these all we were making it by all these milk product. Fine, by the milk of cow, buffalo, goat, camel, and goat's milk is quite good for some diseases also. So that is very good. Now what we will do next, we will see what are the different farm animals we will see on farms. So this we have done about cow, buffalo, and those animals from where we were getting these things like cow. From cow we were getting milk, and different milk product will be formed with that. Now we will talk about different farm animals like first of all we will talk about hen. Fine. So from hen what we were getting? Egg, and in fact from hen only we were getting chicken also, and different dishes of chicken can be formed. So that we are getting from hen only. So hen is a second farm animal which is very much useful. Now farm animal, what kind of a place it is farm? If you went to your village, you can find it out a place which is there in the surrounding, उसके आसपास surrounding को covered with a wall और some उधर आसपास कुछ उसमें ऐसा लगा देते हैं so that animals cannot move out. ठीक है, लकड़ी के बाड़ा बोलते हैं उसको, जिसको कवर करके लगाते हैं ऐसे आयरन पीसेस, वुड के पीसेस लगा के, एंड देन दे विल कवर इट. फाइन. तो हेन वी वर कीपिंग इट देयर. एग उससे मिलता है, चिकन उससे मिलता है, एंड चिक्स जो होते हैं, जो हेन के बेबीज होते हैं, दैट इज चिक्स. दे विल बिकम हेन अगेन, and again they are going to give this egg and chicken. So this process will move on. Fine. For out of hen will give egg for 21 days, and after that hen will hatch egg to get the chick. Chick means the small ones of hen. Fine. They will hatch those eggs, and these chicks will come out from those, and then they will grown up and become hen again. And then those hen will give your egg and then chicken and all. So that is your farm animals. Now farm place, or if we'll move to farm animals, so where did this farm animal word will came? Now the farm animals means the place where farmers live. Farmers. Now what are farmers? What are farmers? What are farmers? Farmers are those who grow crops in the field. Now अब farm animals कहाँ से आया है? देखो यहाँ से आया है. Farmers one who grow crops in the field for us. Fine. Farmer कौन होता है? हिंदी में हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं? किसान बोलते हैं. ठीक है. Farmer is a person who grow crops in the field. अब वो फील्ड यानी एक एम्प्टी स्पेस है, ऐसा करके एक एम्प्टी स्पेस है, ठीक है, वहां पे वो उसका प्लेस है, दैट इज फार्म प्लेस, फाइन। यहाँ पे अपना कुछ भी ग्रो भी करता है, एंड इन दैट ओपन एरिया ओनली ही इज लिविंग विद सम एनिमल ऑल्सो। यहाँ पे कुछ कुछ एनिमल्स को भी उसने रखा हुआ है, लाइक यहाँ काउ रख लिया, गोट रख लिया, एंड देन हेन रख लिया। सो दैट इज एन ओपन स्पेस विच वेयर फार्मर इज लिविंग, किसान रहता है, वहां खेती करता है, वहां पे अपना क्रॉप उगाता है, एंड वही ओपन एरिया में उसने थोड़े से एरिया में ही केप्ट गोट ऑल्सो, काउ ऑल्सो, हेन ऑल्सो, है ना, वहां पे रख लिया। एंड देन अभी क्या है, वो कितना अच्छा लग रहा होगा, कितना मजेदार प्लेस होगा ना। वी कैन फाइंड डिफरेंट एनिमल्स ओवर देयर, वहां बड़े अलग अलग तरीके के एनिमल्स हमें मिलेंगे, एंड सच अ गुड एनवायरमेंट वी हैव, कि एकदम बिल्कुल इन द लैप ऑफ नेचर, कि नेचुरल तरीके से ऑल द एनिमल्स वर लिविंग ओवर देयर। अब देखो एनिमल्स तो आपको जू में भी मिल जाएंगे, यू विल गेट काउ इन डेयरी प्लांट ऑल्सो, जो डेयरी फार्म होता है वहां पे भी मिल जाएगा। बट हेयर ऑल द एनिमल्स और फार्म एनिमल्स वर लिविंग इन देयर नेचुरल हैबिटेट वेयर दे कैन एंजॉय ऑल्सो, वहां पे एंजॉय भी कर रहे हैं, वहां मजे भी कर रहे हैं, एंड देन दे वर लिविंग ओवर देयर। अभी नाउ विल डू अबाउट अदर एनिमल्स ऑल्सो। नाउ farm animals में we have one more very important animal, that is, guess what? हमने अभी क्या क्या किया, काऊ कर लिया, बफलो कर लिया, गोट कर लिया, कैमल कर लिया, एंड हॉर्स भी मैंने आपको बिगिनिंग में बता दिया, एंड देन वी हैव डन विद हेन ऑल्सो। अब बताओ, वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एनिमल, फार्म एनिमल इज दैट, एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फार्म एनिमल है, and we are getting one very important thing which help us to protect from cold. Guess what? Yes, the correct answer is sheep. Yes, sheep is again a farm animal, and we are getting wool to make what? To make all the woolen clothes like sweater, jackets, and different woolen clothes can be made with this wool. So sheep is also very important farm animal. अब now the sheep, अब sheep कोई घर पे रखता है? No, they were living in the open area. आपने if you will go to mountain area या hilly area में जाएंगे तो you will find it out over there. वहां पे आपको देखने को मिलेगी different sheep over there. बहुत सारी sheep मिलेगी आपको देखने के, and they were moving in a group. एक साथ ग्रुप में इधर से उधर जाते हैं, घूमते हैं, एंड दे आर ग्रेजिंग ऑन द फार्म एंड दे आर कमिंग इन, एंड आफ्टर सम टाइम द फार्मर रिमूव, जो भी पर्सन हु इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ दोज शीप, वो क्या करते हैं, दे रिमूव द वूल फ्रॉम देयर बॉडीज। वो एक्चुअली दैट इज डन इन समर सीजन। समर सीजन में क्यों करते हैं? बिकॉज समर सीजन में दे फाइंड कि उनको गर्मी लगती है, तो वो गर्मी से उनको बचाने के लिए दे रिमूव दोज वूल इन समर सीजन, और वो वूल को गर्मी में निकाल लेते हैं उनकी बॉडी से, एंड दैट क्या गॉट एक्सट्रैक्टेड एंड मेक स्ट्रैंड ऑफ दैट। देखो क्लोथ्स बनाने के लिए पहले उसको धागा बनाना है, धागा बनाएंगे देन ओनली दे कैन मेक क्लोथ्स। तो वो क्या करते हैं, वो क्लोथ्स को बनाने के लिए द प्रोसेस विल स्टार्ट इन समर्स ओनली, समर में ही ये प्रोसेस स्टार्ट होता है फॉर मेकिंग दैट वूल, ठीक है। तो अभी ये हो गया। नाउ व्हाट नेक्स्ट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज हॉर्स। हॉर्स इज यूज फॉर राइडिंग ऑल्सो। इन फैक्ट सम ऑफ द फार्म पे आपको बुल पे मिलेगा। बुल मतलब दैट यू आर गेटिंग, जिसको हम बुल कार्ट में यूज करते हैं। अब वो कार्ट में क्यों यूज करते हैं? अभी नाउ डेज वी वर नॉट यूजिंग इट, बट यू ऑफन गेट इट ओवर देयर, फाइन। एंड उसके अलावा व्हाट वी विल गेट इट डिफरेंट अदर एनिमल्स लाइक बर्ड्स भी, हमें डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ बर्ड्स वी आर गेटिंग ऑन फार्म्स, ठीक है। फार्म्स पे हमें डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ बर्ड्स भी हमें देखने को मिलेगी, जैसे गीज ऑल्सो वी कैन सी, ठीक है। डक्स, फिर डक्स के आगे डकलिंग हो जाएगा। शीप के साथ साथ वी विल गेट डक्स ऑल्सो। डक्स हमें मिलती है, छोटा सा उसका पॉन्ड, ऐसे छोटा सा पॉन्ड बना देते हैं and then those ducks also will give eggs. ये ducks भी eggs देती है. फिर goose भी होते हैं. Goose, geese are also there. तो these all birds are also living on those farm only. वही farm पे वो रहते हैं. So children, as I told you in the beginning of the chapter or in the beginning of the video, that we are going to do one of the exercise or one of the crossword also related to these farm animals. So we will start with that crossword, or we'll start with that questions 1 related to these farm animals. So let's start it. Now, one picture is given in your book related to your farm. You can see this picture. You can see this picture in your book. And related to this picture, we are going to fill answers in the crossword here. Fine? Okay. Now, what is the first question? What is the first question related to? Now, first of all, understand what is across and what is down. Across is what and what is down. So let's find it out. What is across? Across means when you have to write the answer in this way, like here. This is called across. Fine? And small boxes will be given here, and in these boxes you will write the answer. So that is an example of across. This is across, and if you are filling the answers like this, that is called yes, that is called down. That is called down. Fine. So we are going to find it out answers today by doing questions across also and down also. So let's start the children with the first question of across, and you will write the answer along with my video in your book. That is page number 28. You are going to write the answers along with me. So let's start children. First is, this is a place where a farmer lives. Now farmer, where the farmer lives? Farmer lives in farm places, and that place is called house. So what is the answer of this? Number 1, we will do all the answers of across first, and after that we will do answers of down. Fine. Now this is a place. What is the first one? This is a place where farmer lives. Now where does the farmer lives? Yes, farmer lives in a farm house. Farmer lives in a farm house. House. FARM, farm house. HOUSE, farm house. Farm house. So children, this is your first one. This is a place where a farmer lives. Where does a farmer live? Farmer lives on a farm house. So children, let's start with our second one. This is a place from where farmers take out water for their crops. Now what is this place? This, number 2 is, this is a place where farmers take out water for their field. So from where that farmers are getting water for their crops or for their fields, from where do they get it? Water? Think about it. From where do they get water for their field or for their crops? From where do they get water from for their field? Now this crossword you will fill in your book itself. Wherever 2 number will be written, there you are going to write the answer. Wherever 2 number will be given, there you are going to write the answer. So now the second one is, this is a place where farmer take out water for their field. From where do they take out water from their field? फटाफट से बताएंगे बेटा. Okay, yes, correct. The correct answer is well. Yes, correct. The correct answer is well. The correct answer is well. कुआं होता है ना, फार्म प्लेसेस पे क्या होता है? फार्म प्लेसेस पे होता है कुआं. ठीक है, कुएं से क्या निकालते हैं फार्मर? पानी निकाल सकते हैं. So from where do they get water? Well. As you can see picture in your book. Well क्या होता है? Well means कुआं. आप अपनी पिक्चर अपनी बुक पे भी देख सकते हो. That one well is over there. वहां पे एक well पहले से बना हुआ है. Fine. Now our third across one. This is the name. This is the name of a dog. Now you have to tell the name of a dog. And in across you can find it out that the name will start with P. So what is the name of that dog? Group of dogs. Name of group of a dog. Group of dog is called pack. P-A-C-K. Fine. A group of dog is called pack. Group of dog is called pack. Fine. So we have done across. In across we have done 3. This is a place where farmer lives. That is farmhouse. F-A-R-M-H-O-U-S-E. Farmhouse. Number 2 is this is a place where farmer take out water for their field. From where do they take out water for their field? Well. That is well. Now number 3 is this is the name of group of a dog. That is pack. Now a group of some animals are called different with the different names. So group of dog is called pack. Remember all these because you have been asked in the paper related to this only we are going to ask question. Now we'll do next part of our exercise of this page, that is your down one. So let's start doing the down one also. Down. Now in the down we have a fourth one. These animals gives us eggs. Now we were doing of down. Number 4. These animals gives us what? Gives us eggs. They were giving us eggs. कौन देता है egg बताओ. अभी हमने किया था in the introduction of the chapter we have done. फटाफट से बताएंगे कि कौन देता है egg. Okay, very good. That is totally correct that these animal gives us egg. Now in your book wherever you will get it, number 4, there you are going to write it the correct answer. Chicken will gives you eggs. Fine. So now we'll move to our next one, that is 5th. This is made to scare birds away from the field. Now in the farms you will find it out a person who is standing in the field. मतलब घर पे फार्म पे एक एनिमल आपको ऐसे दिखेगा. वन पर्सन इज स्टैंडिंग इन बिटवीन द फील्ड. ऐसे करके उसका हाथ होता है, ऐसे सिर पे ऐसे लगा होता है, मटका सा लगा रहेगा. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? फाइन. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? उसको हम डराने के लिए बनाते हैं ताकि कोई भी बर्ड नहीं आए फील्ड में, कोई भी दाना कोई खा ना जाए. ठीक है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? दैट दिस इज मेड टू स्केयर बर्ड्स. फाइन. नाउ टू इसको किस लिए बनाते हैं? दिस इज मेड टू स्केयर. स्केयर मतलब मेड टू स्केयर बर्ड्स. अभी किस लिए बनाते हैं? बर्ड्स को डराने के लिए और उनको फील्ड में से भगाने के लिए. एंड द नेम ऑफ दिस इज स्केयर क्रो. स्केयर क्रो. फाइन. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? स्केयर क्रो. क्या बोलते हैं? स्केयर क्रो. फाइन. अभी एक बार देख लेते हैं व्हाट वी हैव डन इन फोर्थ वन. फोर्थ पे क्या है? दीज एनिमल्स गिव्स अस एग्स. दैट इज चिकन. आपको पता है वी हैव डन इन द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑल्सो कि हमें चिकन से ही hen से ही hen चिक देती है, वही चिकन बनते हैं. तो फ्रॉम hen वी आर गेटिंग एग्स. Now number 5 is this is made to scare bird. Scare मतलब डराना, ठीक है. Scare मतलब डराना. Birds को डराने के लिए इनको फील्ड में लगाया जाता है. This is made to scare bird. Birds को डराने के लिए बनाया जाता है and it is called scare crow. Now we'll come to our next number 6. These animals gives us wool, which we use to make sweater. Or we can write this much only. This animal gives us wool. Now which animal gives us wool? Yes, sheep. Sheep gives us wool. This animal gives us wool. Which animal gives us wool? Yes, that is correct. That is sheep. Sheep gives us wool. Very good. I hope you all are enjoying today's class. That we were studying about different farm animals. Sometimes they are called domestic animal, but when they are kept on farms, जहाँ पे फार्मर के साथ रहते हैं, that's why they are called farm animals. Mostly we will find it out there only. ठीक है, हमें शहर में ये सारे animals you hardly find it out anywhere. ठीक है. Now number 7 is this vehicle is used by the farmer. Now it is very important vehicle and you often find it out in your field. When this vehicle is used by farmers. Now these vehicles are used by farmers and the name of the vehicle is tractor. And most of the children like this tractor. They always had a thought to sit on a tractor. और घर पे कभी आप गांव में या कभी भी विलेज एरिया में जाते हैं and you often find it out that tractor, तो आप पक्का उस पे एक बार तो पक्का बैठते हैं and you must enjoyed it also, the ride of that tractor. So this we have done. Now number 8, which is your last one and down is this is the name of a baby cow. Now what is the name of a baby cow? Baby cow, what is the name of baby cow? Baby cow को हम क्या बोलते हैं? What is the name of baby cow? I don't have space here, so I'll write it above. What is the name of baby cow? Baby cow. Yes, correct. That is calf. Name of baby cow is calf. Fine. So I hope you have enjoyed today's session. What we have done, that is quite interesting. We have done about different farm animals and they live on farms. And related to these farm animals only, we have done one crossword also, which is given in your book, and you all are going to write these answers in your book itself along with my video. So let's revise once again the down one which we have done just now. Number 4, these animals gives us eggs. Yes, correct. That is chicken. CHICKEN. CHICKEN, chicken. Now number 5, this is made to scare birds. Scare मतलब क्या होता है? डराना. जब हम किसी को डराने के लिए बनाते हैं, that is called scaring. It's quite scaring. ठीक है? तो scare में birds को डराने के लिए बनाया जाता है, लगाया जाता है, ऐसे करके, ऐसे होता है ना, और यहाँ पे ऐसे मटका सा लगा रहता है. So that is called scare crow. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Scare crow. Now come to 6. This animal gives us wool, which we use to make sweaters and which will protect us from winters. तो कहाँ से मिलता है हमें wool? We are getting wool from sheep. Now number 7. This vehicle is used by farmers. That is quite interesting vehicle. Most of the children like this vehicle. That is tractor. That is tractor. So I hope you all have liked it. Now 8.1 is name of baby cow. That is quite interesting. Name of baby cow, you all know it. That is calf. So that we have completed CALF, calf. Now with this we have completed all the farm animals crossword which is given in your book. And your homework for today is you have to complete this crossword in your book. So that is the only homework. You can complete that crossword along with my video also. You can sit along with your book and you can complete it. फटाफट से complete कर लेंगे बेटा मेरे साथ. Okay. So I hope you all have enjoyed today's session. We have seen a live cow, a live horse in the video, and I hope you all have enjoyed today's session, today's class. So that's all for today, children. Have a good day, and we will meet in our next class with some interesting facts in that. So children, have a nice day.